Very good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? Very good afternoon. Yes, all are ready? So today we will do all the question, all computer graphics question we are going to solve here. 2023 to 2018, all question. I am here with you to solve each and every question. One by one, we will start from 2023 June. In 2023, there was 3 paper, as you know. June paper, 11th March paper and 15th March paper. All this paper we will do today now, and after that we will go for 2022, 2021, 2020, 19 and 18. All the question, each and every question we will do here. So what you have to do, try to share this link to all of your friends and tell them to join the session quickly so that we can also start the session quickly. Today is Saturday, so here though lots of students should have holidays and they can join the class quickly. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So share it to all of your friends. Share it to all of your friends. I can see here Prathiva, Lopa, Srinivas, Raj, Monica, Vinita, Hanif, Anil Kumar, Saranya, Krishti, Lakshmi, all are present. Okay, let's start. So here first question from UGC NET June 2023. So let's start. Tell me what will be the answer for this one. Already we did 2 classes. What are the important topic concept we discussed already. And with this question some concept will come. We will discuss those also. So today we are going to cover graphics for UGC NET SET. Those who are preparing for SET exam, there for them also it will be helpful definitely. So we are going to cover up, wrap up this. And tomorrow if you all are interested, then tomorrow there is already a plan from ICT marathon 3 p.m. tomorrow. Tulasi ma'am will take ICT marathon. Yes, answer are coming. Yes, definitely answer will be scaling. Which of the following transformation 2 dimension is used to resize the 2 dimension object? To resize the 2 dimension object, that is scaling only. Very good. Now tell me what will be the answer for this one. Very good, very good. Tell me what will be the answer for this one. Consider the rectangle with the vertices that are given to you. There is scaling towards x-axis and y-axis, it's given to you. Now you have to do the new coordinate of the rectangle. What will be the new coordinate? Okay, answers are coming. Very good. Super hit all of you. So you can draw this where it is 0, 0 position, 0, 2 position. Maybe I am taking this like this way so that you can get it. Yes, so this is your 0, 2 position. Another one is 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0 position, 3, 0, sorry, 0, 2 and 3, 0. Here it is. Here I did a mistake. Your 0, 0 and 0, 2. This is the 0, 2 position. 3, 0. 1, 2, 3. This is 3, 0 position and this is 3, 2 position. This is your 3, 2 position. Now the scaling of 2 towards x-axis. So in the x-axis length is 3, y-axis length is 2. So x length is 3 here, y length is 2 here. That is clear. Now I am doing towards x-axis 2. So I will multiply 2 and 3 towards y-axis. So multiply 3. So here you are getting 6. Here also you are getting 6. So 0, 0 will be 0, 0 itself. the new value will be 0 0 itself, and after that I have to go till 6, so it will be 6 0 position. Another one will be 6, means it will be 0 6 position, and after that your new one will be looks like this. Your new one will be looks like this one, right? So that is your position. This one will be 6 6 position after the scaling. So that's why your answer is 0 0 6 0 0 6 6 6. Simple dimple. Just by drawing and just by understanding you can do the answer. Tell me what will be the answer for this one. What will be the answer for this one? Okay, yes. So what is the meaning of clipping? Clipping is the process of computer graphics used for removing object, that is removing object and the lines, that is the clipping only. Option 4 is the correct answer. Very good. Now tell me what will be the answer for this one. Very good, very good. Now tell me, Sutherland and Hodgman method is used for what? For what purpose you are using this method? Yes, that is for the convex polygon. For the convex polygon we are using this method. Very good. Now do this one. Now you have to do this one. Match Bazier's curve, B-spline curve. So after this question I will give you the idea about curve, because the curve topic I did not cover here. So I will give you main concept of Bezier curve. So many questions are coming from Bezier curve. So I will give you the concept of Bezier curve and other curve topic, so that this topic will be also covered. Do the question, then I am coming to that topic. Okay, answers are coming. Yes, option 3 is the correct answer, because Bezier curve is here the painting drawing CAD. B-spline curve where we are using, that is the bias and tension. Then the sweep representation is three-dimensional object, translation symmetry. Natural object is fractional geometry. So this will be the answer. Now I am coming to the curve topic, so that this curve topic will be clear. Before that we already covered. Those who did not watch these classes must watch the classes. 2 classes we already cover. For the 2D, all this 2D translation, transformation, scaling, sharing, all this topic we did, and the questions also we did here. And after that we did next topic, that is these are the CRT, raster scan, random scan, and this numerical DDA line drawing algorithm, clipping concept we did, and the parallel projection. These are also done, right? These all the projection, perception, this is also done. Yesterday only we did these questions and topic also. Today also we will do. So here the after that fog shading, God shading, this topic also we did. What is the difference between fog and God? And now I am going to tell you that curve. Here this is the curve part. So in computer graphics, curve, types of curve, there is implicit curve, explicit curve, parametric curve, Bezier curve, and B-spline curve. From the curve topic they are asking repeated question. So idea of the curve means what? Just like that, when you are making a circle, that is also a curve, right? So implicit curve means an implicit curve or of the surface is the set of zeros of the function 2 or 3 variable. As you can see, lines we are drawing ax plus by plus c equals to 0, but whenever we are doing this one, the sphere or the center, then this formula will be like this, because here I need the r value also, right? So some extra thing we need here. Explicit curve means do not allow the multiple values for the given argument and cannot describe the vertical tangent and infinite slope also. That's why it is explicitly we have to mention. That is the reason it is called the explicit curve. Another one is parametric curve. Curve have a parametric form called the parametric curve. Means you are passing some parameter. Like that a curve in the plane is said to be parameterized if set of coordinate of the curve xyz is represented as a function. You are representing as a function ki okay xyz, you can pass the value of xyz as a parameter. That's why the name is called parametric curve. As you can see, the curve having parametric form called the parametric curve. Explicit and implicit curve representation can be used only when the function is known. When you know the function, then only you can use the explicit or implicit curve. But when you don't know the function, then you have to go for the parametric curve. In practice, actually we have to go for the parametric curve, because the two-dimensional parametric curve, in this way you can pass the value. Dynamically I will pass the value and I can draw the curve. That's why practically parametric curve is more useful. Next important topic is Bezier curve. This is very important topic. Repeated questions are there, you will see in this PYQs only. So listen to me very carefully so that this topic question also you can do. Bezier curve. A Bezier curve is particularly a kind of spline generated from a set of control points by forming a set of polynomial function. Okay, what is the main concept of Bezier curve? Here I am showing you the main concept. Main concept of Bezier curve, you can see this is the simplest straight line, right? If I am taking a string, that is this is a string. If you just here, I hope it is visible. If this is a string, right? This is a string in front of you. So I can make a curve when I am trying to make it like this. When I am trying to make it like this, it is a curve. I can make it like this also. As per my requirement, I can bend it also like this, right? As per requirement, I can bend it like this way. So anything I can do according to how I am stretching it. How I am stretching it, it will be changed like this way, right? Yes. So that is the main thing here, ki how you are stretching, from which point you are stretching it. That is the points. Main concept of Bezier curve, it will go through only two end point. Only two end point it will go through, and other points are called the control point. This is another point. This point will be your control point through which you are making the shape of the curve. Okay, so the simplest Bezier curve is the straight line from P0 to P1. As you can see, the coordinate of the Bezier curve is determined by the three control points. How the coordinate will be, that is determined by the three control point or four control points. Like that you can see one control point, so that the curve is looking like this. I am taking here two control point. From two area I can stretch it, so it is cubic curve. And always remember the order. Here I am telling it's quadratic by name. Maybe you will think that here will be 4 control point. No, it will be 4 minus 1, 3 control point. 3 means quadratic. Whenever 4 control point, then we are calling cubic, because the concept is always n minus 1. When n is the polynomial degree and t is the number of variable. Okay, so name is coming with the n minus 1. How many control point will be there? That is coming totally. Quadratic means this is 3. Cubic means 4. Simple curve, this is the simple one. Like this is the main concept here in the quadratic curve. Simple curve, quadratic curve, and this is the cubic curve. Three types of curve are there. Cubic curve but 4 control point. Remember here. This is the 3 control point. And here it is just framing a straight line. That's why it is called the simple curve. Okay. So here are the some properties of Bezier curve. You can see that various CAD system, general graphics package, and slope of the beginning you can see from the first 2 control line. It will always go through the start and end point. In between whatever points, these are controlling the lines, nothing else. It will not go through that line. Okay, this is the main points here you can see. And after that, next one is the B-spline curve. B-spline curve means that the Bezier curve was produced by this one function flexibility. First, the number of the specified polygon vertices fixed in the order of the resulting polynomial. The second limiting characteristics is that the value of bending, how much blending will be there, blending function is the non-zero for all the parameter value over the entire curve. These are the some limitation of the Bezier curve. That's why it came to the B-spline curve. B-spline curve have these properties, that is the sum of the B-spline basis function, any parameter value is 1. Each basis function is positive or 0 for all the parameter value. Either it will be positive or it will be 0. Each basis function has precisely one maximum value except k equals to 1. So these are the some properties of B-spline curve. Directly you can come to the difference. That will be important for your exam. Normal spline curve, B-spline curve and Bezier curve. What are the main difference? The spline curve means a spline curve can be specified by giving set of coordinate position. You will give the exactly set of coordinate position called the control point, which indicate the general shape of the curve. Means I am giving you the point and now you are drawing the curve. That is the spline curve. B-spline curve are the specified by the person Bernstein. Basis of the function has limit flexibility. There will be through the function we are drawing, but there will be the limited flexibility. Bezier curve can specified with the boundary condition with a characterized matrix or with the blending function. These are the three main difference how you are drawing the curve. Okay, so it follows the general shape of the curve. This curve result of use of open uniform basis function, and this curve generally follows the shape of the defining the polygon. These are the difference. Here you can see the CAD application. We can use the curve used for the constant blending curve. This is also using for CAD application. And here are some more difference. You can see that, and here is a Bezier curve, how we are drawing the Bezier curve. These are the 2 points. Through 2 points I will go, and this is the extra point, but through this point it is not going. That is the main characteristics of Bezier curve and the different types of curve. I hope it is clear to you. And now you can relate it from where the question was there, that is the Bezier curve and spline curve. So Bezier curve is using for the painting and drawing purpose. Spline curve is the bias and tension. That's why this is the answer. Okay. Now 11th March question. You will see from the curve so many other topics questions are also there. Now tell me what will be the answer for this one. Scaling is a topic. You can see repeated questions are coming from scaling. Scaling is the topic from where repeated questions are coming. Tell me what will be the answer for this one. Given a vector that Cartesian component x, y, if scaling is done with matrix 0, 5, 0, 0, 1.5, then what are true? Yes, answers are coming. Very good, everyone. Yes, option D is the correct answer. Because why? You can see this is my x value. My x value, that is Sx. Sx value is 0.5, means this is half. Sy value is 1.5. 1.5 I can write as 3 by 2. So this is less than 1 and this is greater than 1. Less than 1 means it will be decrease. Greater than 1 means it will be increase. We discuss in the class of scaling. When I took the class on scaling, then also I discuss with you. Less than 1 means it will be decrease, greater than is increase. So definitely here it is half. It will be half. That will be decrease, right? So that's why here an x-axis, according to x, this is decreasing. So increase will be y. Here increase in the y-axis, that is vertical. So horizontal means x, vertical means y. This is a horizontal line, this is vertical line. Yes. So vertically it will be increased 3 half. 3 half means 3 by 2. Double horizontally, that is wrong. Half horizontally, that is correct. Horizontally, that is by y-axis, it is half. So that's why your answer will be B and D. Yes. Clear? Okay. Khatu Shorkar, you are my very regular learner, but I am not able to stress you. Who are you? So I will request you, try to WhatsApp me that ma'am, I am Khatu Shorkar. You are a regular learner, but I am not able to stress you, track you where you are. So please WhatsApp me. Assertion and reason, and hope for the best. I hope your exam will be good. From a long time you are following all the regular classes. I know that. So please WhatsApp me. Assertion and reason. Tell me what will be the answer. Okay, answers are coming. Option A is the correct answer. Very good. So here assertion, I told you from the raster scan, random scan questions are coming. This is the question on raster scan. A raster scan device is a CRT graphic device and can used in television, monitor or display. That is correct one. Next one is reason. The rasters can display the picture in the composed of series of dots. These dots are traced out in a series of horizontal line. Television works in the similar fashion. This is also correct. Both are true. And I am getting the answer of why. That why we are using the raster scan for television. That answer I am getting for here. So that's why it is the correct explanation also. Sometimes students are doing mistake here. Ki assertion reason, whenever both are true, they are marking ki it is the correct explanation. It may be happen that it is not the correct explanation. Always ask yourself why. Why this is correct. Then only you can get it. Otherwise your answer will be wrong. Okay. Chalo. Now tell me what will be the answer. Oh my God, you are so well known, but with different name I am not able to stress you. Thank you, Khatu Shorkar. Thank you. He was so much well known to me, but different name. Okay. I hope for the best. So here is the answer. Yes, this is the answer, Baziar Cup. Just now I told you from the Baziar Cup so many questions are coming. In dash curve, the last and the first vertices of the polygon lie on the curve, and all other vertices defined in the derivatives. That is only Bezier curve. So Bezier curve is the correct answer. And from here, this type of statement, like this one, this is a statement. This statement you can write down in your notebook for your quick revision. This two statement also you can write down, because this will be helpful for your quick revision. Okay, chalo, now 15 March paper. I forgot to send you your paper. I will send you. I forgot that. That is Khatu Sarkar only. You send me the paper. Thank you. And all of you, after your exam, whenever you will get your response sheet, please send me your response sheet. Because when you will send me your response sheet, then only it will be beneficial for upcoming student. From your response sheet only I will collect your question. As 15th March paper I can give you, because Khatu Sarkar give me that. That's why I am able to do it. That's why I am able to provide you. So that's why it is a request, everyone, after attending your exam, whatever exam you are attending, UGC NET, SET or other exam, please send me your response sheet. Please send me the question paper. Please send me that. Okay. And not only question paper, after attending your exam, send me WhatsApp me that yes, this type of question came, this was the question, your exam hall experience, please share with us. What will be the answer for this one? Achha, this is already done. Do this one. Do this one. 2D array, transmission device, binary image, 1D array. Tell me what will be the answer. Those who are watching, please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to click on like button, share button, subscribe button, and click the notification icon to get the notification. What will be the answer for this one? Answer. Answer. What will be the answer? Okay, answer is coming. So here option 2 is the correct answer. 2D array input. As a binary image, with this binary image you can relate that binary image was very long ago we was using inkjet printer. It was printing like this, dot like this way printing was going on. That was the inkjet printer, either 0 or 1. In this way it was going on. That is the binary image. Okay, so C will be with 4. So and after that 1D array input, who is taking 1D array input, that is the flat bed scanner. Yes, flat bed scanner. 2D input, 2D where you are taking 2D array input. 2D array input in the normal camera. Transmission device, LCD monitor is a transmission device. LCD monitor we are using, that is a transmission device. Okay, now 2022. You can see every year how many questions are there from graphics? 3 to 4, maximum 5. These are the number of questions. So 2022 question paper. Now tell me what will be the answer here. What type of transformation it is? What type of transformation? Yes, this is the homography. This transformation name is homography. This is not scaling, this is not shear, this is homography. Next one. Tell me what will be the answer for this one. Hidden surface removal problem with the minimal 3D pipeline can be solved with which algorithm? With which algorithm you can solve it? Hidden surface removal problem. Yes, that is the Painter's algorithm. So write down in your notebook, Painter's algorithm is used for this one. Here in computer graphics, you have to make a list of the repeated area of algorithm. You can see these are the algorithm name you can see. So all the algorithm must prepare the list of all the algorithm where which one is using. Okay. Next one is 2021 computer graphics. So let's see what was the question in 2021. Here in this question the options are given that, but in this question according to me options are wrong. Here something wrong. Something wrong here. So I will leave this one because here any of the option will not come. No noise. Where is the noise? Here in this question, are this type of noise? According to me, options are wrong. Here something. Wait. Why this type of noise are coming? So I will leave this one because here any of the option will not come. No noise. Where is the noise? Now it's gone. Wait. Why this type of now is it gone? Now it's fine. Now is it fine? Okay. Why this is happening? I am not able to understand. So in this question here, actually your answer should be different, but answer is giving different. So here this question I skip this question. Do this one. Do this one. Here is the statement 1 and statement 2. Statement 1 is given that the maximum number of sides that a triangle might have when the clip to the rectangle viewpoint 6. And statement 2, in the 3D graphics, the perspective transformation, yesterday we learned perspective transformation, is the non-linear to Z. So what will be the answer? Here you can see this example when here it was given ki I am doing the rectangle viewpoint, a triangle. So here is the triangle and here is the rectangle, right? With the rectangle when you cut, then you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 side is possible. Total 7 side I can get. So that's why here this answer statement 1 is wrong. But statement 2 is true. It is the projection it is the projection 3D object of the plane whenever you are doing parallel orthogonal image plane. Then parallel line projects to the parallel line and size does not change with the distance from the camera. So perspective projection is a non-linear transformation. Perspective is always the non-linear transformation, and that's why option 2 is true. And why perspective is non-linear transformation, you can write down that. This is the reason why the perspective is non-linear transformation. The reason also you can write it in your notebook. Next time question can be formed like assertion reason. Okay. Now tell me what will be the answer for this. This is the Bezier curve. Question came from Bezier curve. Tell me what will be the answer. Think and tell me what will be the answer. Suppose a Bezier curve PT is defined by the following four control point XY plane, that is P0 is given here, P1 also, P2 also, P3 also. These are the points. So how I can draw? I can try by drawing. Let's see how I can draw. So here this is 0. For the graph, for the graphics, drawing is very important. If you are drawing it correctly, then your answer will be also correct. Drawing should be correct, so your answer will be also correct. Through drawing only you can solve the question. See that. Minus 2 comma 0, 1 2, minus 2 comma 0, this is 1 point. Okay, this is 1 point. Another point is minus 2 comma 4, minus 2 comma 4, like this point. This is another point. 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4, here is the another point, and 2 comma 0. So this is here 1 2 comma 4, this is the point, and here is the another point 2 comma 0. Now you can try to draw. See that we know that as per the Bezier curve, these are the control line, right? From here I am stretching the line, and it can go through only starting and ending point. So starting point is this one, ending point is this one. So how my curve will looks like? Definitely my curve will looks like this. Definitely my curves will look like this. By drawing I can understand it. Now it is asking you the Bezier curve PT has degree 3. PT has degree 3, yes. Because what we told, ki when there are 4 control point, then degree will be what? Degree will be 4 minus 1, that is 3. Degree is always total number of control point minus 1. So that is correct, only degree is 3 here. P half equals to 0.3. Yes, half of the curve is going through this line, and this point is actually 0.3 point. That is also correct. This is also correct, Bezier curve, and this one is also correct. Bezier curve PT may extend outside the convex hull. Your convex hull is this area, right? This is your convex hull. How the curve can go outside? Is it possible that curve can go outside the convex hull? In that area, outside that is not possible. C, by eliminating option C also, you can do the answer. No need to do this. I solved that so that you can understand the concept. But without doing this also, by eliminating option C you can do. Because it's not possible to go out the convex hull. How it is possible? Through where I am controlling, outside that it can't go. So that's why option C cannot be my answer. So my answer is option A and B. Right? So you can see the graphics question, most of the graphics question I am solving in front of you with the drawing. With the drawing only we are solving it. So that is possible. Right? This is a little bit lengthy question. Now I am not doing this. This is a little bit lengthy question. I show the question and I am showing you the answer also. This is the answer. Actually it will just you have to do the transpose. Here it is asking what is the transformation matrix M that transform a square of xy plane defined by this. All the plane is given to you. Okay, 1 1 minus 1 minus 1 1 1 1, the parallelogram. Here you can draw the parallelogram, nothing else. You can draw this one again like this key where at the point try to draw the point like if this is my x-axis, y-axis, this is also through the drawing you can understand. So it is 1 1, this is the 1 1 1 and 1, all are actually 1, right? So one point is 1 1 point, another point is minus 1 1 minus 1 1, so this is another point. Another point is minus 1 minus 1, so this is another point. Another point is 1 1 1. Here I draw, here I did a mistake. This point will be here. 1 1 point will be here. Here is the 1 point and last point is 1 minus 1. This is your parallelogram. This is actually, it's given that this is a parallelogram and it is a square also. Not only a parallelogram, that is a square also, whose corresponds vertices are 2 1, means it is now you did the transpose. Okay, here you can see the transpose is given. Now the corresponds vertices are here 2 1. Now the new vertices came where? New vertices came in this position. Okay, I took this is 1 1. Now you can take 2 2. This is also 2. This is also 2. So 2 1 2 1 here. This is 1 point. 0 1 0 1 means this is another point. 0 1 means it is here. Another one is minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 here, and another one is 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1, like 0 minus 1 here. So your 2 1 1 2 2 1, right. So here you can see 2 1, then 0 1. So the line is like this one, blue line. Then minus 2 1, that is this one, minus 2 minus 1, means your parallelogram will be like this. You can think it's going out, right? 2 minus 1, that is here. That's why my measurement was not coming correct. It is like this. Your parallelogram is like this. Okay. So by drawing, I think you can understand that previously red color was the position. Previously your position was in the red color. Okay. Now your position shifted to the blue color. Now your position shifted to the blue color. That is the transformation. Now tell me what type of transformation happened here. That is you have to tell me. कि this is the transformation matrix. You have to find out the transformation matrix, what type of transformation is happen here. That is you have to do. So tell me what type of transformation it is. Tell me what type of transformation it is and how much transformation happened here. What are the point? How many points shifted here? Right? That is you have to do. So by drawing you can understand ki how many, what is the transformation here, and is it a one transformation happen? What transformation matrix M square xy plane, this is given here in the parallelogram whose correspond vertices are this one. Now from here you have to predict that what type of transformation happen. It is the normal Sx Sy, it is only the scaling factor. Is it only scaling happen? Is this only scaling happen? No, there is no like that. So from here now you have to put ki what will be my answer. Got my point? Concept is clear. What is the question here? Tell me now. Now you can tell me. I draw in front of you only ki what is happening here. Now can you tell me ki what type of transformation it is? Tell me what is going on here. Answer is also in front of you. Answer is also in front of you. Tell me what type of transformation it is. Can you predict your answer? Are you able to predict? How to predict, can I say? Okay, so I can tell you one easy area to solve you, how you can solve it. Both size and shape change. Yes. So here, yes, it is shearing, is it? Can we say that it is shearing? Here I can tell you a easy one, that with this matrix you can try to multiply. By multiplying, which matrix is coming? By multiplying, which matrix is coming? Yes, the shearing. Here the shearing matrix, if you go to the shearing matrix, sorry, I am opening here. I am opening the shearing matrix. What was going on with the shearing matrix? Here if you come to the concept of shearing, yes, this was the concept of shearing, right? You can see here the concept of shearing, where the shearing is deal with the 2D object and the object shape and size both will change. Here the shearing is going on 2D object, here x-axis and y-axis. Similar sliding will be there where the shape and size will change. Here you can see this type of parallelogram where it was a square and it is changing. When this is changing, then we are multiplying xy with 1 1 and a says x, where a says x is the factor, with that x plus a says x multiply into y if I am doing, and y dash equals to y, that is the x shear. And when I am doing y shear, then it was x dash equals to x, y dash equals to y plus shy into x, right? This type of shearing was going on here, where matrix was like this 1 1 and shy was here like this way. And when I did both, the x dash and y dash both, then x plus shx multiply y and y dash y plus shy multiply x. Like this type of sharing was going on into 2, x and y both coordinate change. When both coordinate change with the x and y, then we are applying this and the matrix will be like that, right? Here will be shy, here will be shx, and 1 will be here. Like this way it was going on. Now you can come to the option. According to this option, here now you can relate. See that? Are you able to relate it? Yes. If you are multiplying with this matrix, if you are multiplying with this matrix, then you will get this answer. And that's why your answer will be this one. Got it? How to do? Here this 4 matrix you can put and you can get it, and actually x, y both are changing here. So that's why you can predict that yes, this will be my answer. Got it? And this type of matrix nothing was there. This type of matrix was not there, right? This is also here, this is also a not a homogeneous format. By elimination also you can do. In homogeneous format always identity matrix will be like that. This is also identity matrix. But here x can be here, y can be here, but here it is x is not present. So that's why if you you can try with the opposite way also. By multiplying, am I getting this one? If I am getting this one, then it is my answer. So you can try in opposite way. You will see that by multiplying with this one only your answer is matching. So that's why this will be my answer. Okay, when you will not able to predict anything, then just do the matrix multiplication with the option, and after matrix multiplication answer is coming means yes, this is my correct answer. Okay, okay. Chalo, now do this one. Graphics means whenever you are not able to predict, then draw the graph. Draw the graph and think it what is possible. Now tell me what will be the answer. This question we did yesterday. Yesterday we solve also. Just do your revision here. Yes, yesterday we discussed this question very clearly, that this type of question you have to solve like 1, then 2, then 3 and then 4. First of all you have to check that A projects perspective projection only. What is the perspective projection? Require the homogeneous coordinate in order to encode the linear transformation. Perspective is the linear transformation. When you are converting, then this is required. So 1 will be with D. Orthographic projection only. Orthographic, this one. Orthographic is one type of parallel projection. Here parallel is not possible, but orthographic, far away object appears same as this one. That is only possible in orthographic. So this one only. Now both orthographic and perspective projection, which one is? That is the straight line map to straight line in both. That's why 3 will be with A. Then finally 4th one, neither orthographic nor perspective projective. No one. That is the distance and angle is not preserved. Any of that transformation is not preserving. So option B. So in this way you have to do matching. This is another way of asking question, where they will not ask like the table format matching, rather than that they will ask like this way, so that you have to waste your time. So best way is that then and there write like this way and try to match and get the answer. Yes, now tell me what will be the answer. The shading concept also we did, Fong shading, God shading. This is also another topic from where questions are coming. So tell me what will be the answer on this Fong shading and God shading. Yes. So it is also option this. Gross shading require more computation. That is wrong, because Phong shading is giving you shiny and smooth surface and it is working on each pixel to pixel. That's why the time is more required for Phong shading. Option A is wrong. So by eliminating option A, you can get the answer. B and C is the correct answer. Again the question is from the Bezier curve and the cubic curve. So tell me what will be the correct answer. Bezier curve, cubic curve. I told you these are the repeated area. You can see in front of you the repeated area from where questions are coming repetitively. Yes, option 4 is the correct answer. Very good. Statement Bezier curve that interpolates all the control point. That is wrong, because just now we saw that Bezier curve is going through only starting and end point. Inside any control point it will not go through that. That's why statement 1 is false. The cubic curve has the 4 control point. Yes, that is we know. When there are order is depending on the control point -1, so order of cubic is that is 4 minus 1, that will be 3. We know that. That is correct one. So statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is correct, but 1 is false. Now the next one, tell me, here also projection, concept on the projection. In the context of 3D computer graphics, which of the following statements are correct? A, B, C, 3 option is given. Out of that, which one is correct? Yes, answer will be option 1, because perspective transformation is not a linear transformation. Perspective transformation is not the linear transformation. Option C will be eliminated. By eliminating option C, you can do the answer. And other than that, 2 options are correct. Applying perspective projection graphing pipeline, that is correct only. This is also correct. So option A and B will be correct. Option C is wrong. Now tell me what will be the answer for this one. Yes, here option 4 will be the correct answer, because this type of values are possible only in the rotation. When there is the rotation 60 degree, then this type of values are coming, because root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2 is 0.86 and 0.7. Right, here the 60 degree sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2. So that's why your answer, and cos 60 to 1 by 2, but 0.8 this type of values are possible here in rotation only. So C will be with 3. Here is C with 3, here also C with 3. This is not the answer. This is also not the answer. After that you can see that what is the translation matrix Tx Ty, where translation matrix how I can match. translation matrix is this one. This is txty. This is the way you can relate the translation matrix, right? For this one, this format is very important. You need to remember the matrix format. This is the translation matrix format. This is the anti-clockwise rotation and clockwise rotation. Scaling matrix format is like this, SHSY, and your reflection matrix format is like this, -1 and here. And just now we discuss about the shear matrix format also. Here is the shearing going on, so shearing will be like this one only. Here only the shearing factor, so that's why shearing matrix will be this one. So the 2D transformation, shearing, scaling, translation, rotation, this is a repeated area. Definitely you can understand, it is very important. Now tell me what will be the answer. Again the raster system. Raster system, their favorite topic. Raster system. Again question is from raster system. Consider the following system with respect to approaches to fill area on the raster system. PQ is given. What will be the answer? Yes, here your answer is option 3, because here determine the overlap interval in the scan line for the cross area. This is also correct. And the start of the given interior position to the point outwards the point until the boundaries. That is also correct. So both are correct. Whatever statements are coming regarding the raster system, till now you saw 2 to 3 question you saw in raster system. You can write down that. Definitely write it down. Okay. All these points write down in your notebook regarding raster system, regarding perspective project transformation, Bezier curve, Phong shading, Gauss shading. These are the theoretical topic what you can see repeated. This repeated area you should prepare your one-liner notebook. In that notebook put it, so that next time whatever question come you can do, right? You can see they are repeating this area, so highly expected they will repeat this area again, little bit different way, but from this concept you can do that also. Now tell me what will be the answer for this one. Yes, here option B is the correct answer. This question also we did previously. Here also by drawing we can solve this question. 0, 0 is the coordinate and another coordinate is 5, 3. So we can draw it correctly. If I am drawing it correctly, then my answer is always correct. Drawing should be correct. My answer will be also correct. Another one is 5, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is the 3, so 5, 3 position. So this is your rectangle. After the rectangle you have to draw the line segment, that is 1, 0, 1, 0 position, -1, 0. It is actually -1, 0. Okay, -1, 0 position, and 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the position. So you can draw the line. This line will be like this, And after drawing the line, now you can put the intersection point. Actually line drawing is not correct. When your drawing will be correct, then only your answer will be correct. This is the correct drawing. So here is the intersection point, you can see. So what are the point here? This point is 0, 1 and this point is actually here. So this is your 2, 3 point. So your point will be 0, 1 and 2, 3 point. By drawing you can easily do the answer. Right. Next one is, even also you can do like this way ki by using the intersection point of the line. You can draw the equation of the line. Through the equation also you can try. That is this way also you can try. Next one, consider the following model and what is the correct answer? Mamdani and other models. 3 models are given. Which one is the example of adaptive rule model? This is actually not the graphics question. By mistake it came here. But okay, related to this area. So what will be the answer? Example of additive rule model. Yes, option B is the correct answer. Only M2 and M3. This one and this one is the additive rule model, because here you can see the Mamdani model, that is this is the output of each rule. It is actually related to AI. Output of the rule is related to the fuzzy set. These are well suited for the expert system application, where rules are created from the human expert knowledge and the control system is this one. So this is related to fuzzy and AI system. Now next one, this model, that is Takagi model. This model allowed to construct the system of analysis from a set of example data. These are used for approximation of the large class non-linear system and the degree of relevance of the linear model determined by the degree of the fuzzy. This is the Takagi model. Next one is Cosco model. Cosco additive model, that is, assume the input are the crisp and uses the scaling method, and it used for the addition to compute the conclusion of the fuzzy rule. So it was asking you which one is the additive model. So out of this, which one is the additive rule? So this one and this one is the additive rule, but this one not. But this is not the computer graphics question. This is a AI related question. By mistake it came here. I will remove it to AI. Do this one. Tell me what will be the answer for this one. Yes, answers are coming here. Here which one is not used? Which one is not used for line clipping algorithm? Line clipping algorithm are Cohen-Sutherland, Langworski, Nicolelli, Chris Beck, and first clipping and Salka. These all the list of algorithm. Make a list of all algorithm, because they are asking the name. With the name of the algorithm they are asking question. So out of this algorithm is not there. Sutherland-Hodgman algorithm. Sutherland-Hodgman algorithm was used for what? Tell me. In the first or 1 to 2 question we did, Sutherland-Hodgman algorithm used for what? This is used for what purpose? Tell me. We did this question today, just at the beginning only we did it. Sutherland-Hodgman algorithm, where we are using beginning only we did it. Tell me, Sutherland-Hodgman algorithm, where we did. Anyone? Tell me the answer. Yes, polygon surface, for the polygon surface. Very good. Very good. That was for the polygon surface, right? Convex polygon. Good. Convex polygon, we use it. Now tell me, what will be the answer? So the names you have to remember. You have to remember the names. Now tell me, what will be the answer for this one? Yes, polygon, polygon, convex polygon. We did that question, right? In the beginning only there was a question. Yes, answers are coming. That is the 480 pixel. Very easy one. Aspect ratio will be width by height. Don't do height by width. Aspect ratio is always width by height. So that's why here you have to do 768 divided by 1024. That is your aspect ratio. So you have to follow the aspect ratio for 640. So that's why here you have to do 640 by x, and you can get x equals to this one. That will be the answer. Okay. Now tell me, what will be this? I hope with this question we did also previously. That is 1024 divided by 768. That will be equals to, here your width is given, that is 640 is given, and x you have to do. So what will be x? You need to do multiplication then division. That's why your answer is coming this one, right? Got it? Yes. So now tell me, what will be the answer for this one? So in previous question, is there any mistake? Wait 1 minute. One minute, please. 1 minute. Wait. This will be like this way. Okay. So some students maybe you will be confused. So here you have to do 640 by height, that is 4 by 3. So height will be 640 multiply 3. You will do that, then you will get 4 by 3. So 4 by 3 you have to divide by 4, then you will get this answer. This is the way answer will come. Okay, don't do the mistake. So here 1024 by 768 width by height, because here it was given this is your height and this is your width. This is your width, this is your height. I did a mistake. This is the width, this is the height. So that's why 1024 by this one. Then here the pixel width is given, so width will be upside. Then you have to do this way. Okay. So I was thinking कि some mistake I am doing. This is the correct answer. Now next question was, I was asking this was done. This one, then this one was the question. So answers you told, yes, reflected vector and the view vector. Yesterday we discussed about the Phong reflection. So in the Phong reflection we saw that how the normal vector, and this is your light, this is your reflected vector, and here this is your viewpoint, this is your normal. So what is the difference between the reflected vector and view vector? That is the Phong specular model. Now what will be the answer for this one? What will be the answer for this one? Yes, here your answer will be option 2, that is this one is true. Because why? Because this reflection matrix is according to x-axis, this is correct. Because according to x-axis y dash will be -1, that is correct. But here it is given that x-axis, the rotation matrix, this is not the rotation matrix. XY, according to XY plane, whenever we are doing x equals to y, when x equals to y is there, then only it is coming rotation matrix. Otherwise, according to x axis, it is not the rotation matrix, it will be the reflection matrix only. So S2 will be wrong. So only S1 will be true. Now the next question is this one. Do this one. Consider the raster system with the resolution of 640 by this one. The size of the frame buffer for the system is stored into 12 bit per pixel. Then what will be the answer? Yes, here your answer will be 4 KB, because the frame buffer we have to do multiplication. Then I have to divide by 8 because it is converted into byte, because this answer will come into bit. But I have to convert in byte. 1 bit equals to 8 bit equals to 1 byte. Now after that I am getting this byte. Now still the answer is given in kilobyte. So 1 kilobyte equals to 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power 10 means 1024 bytes. So I have to divide by 1024. Total this one I have to divide by 1024. So my answer will be 450 kilobyte. Now tell me what will be the answer for this one. In the context of 3D computer graphics, which of the following are true? Yes, all are correct. P and Q both are correct answer. Orthographic transformation, keep parallel line parallel, that is correct. And it is the affine transformation. What is the meaning of affine transformation? Meaning of affine transformation is came from the Euclidean geometry. As per it is a geometric transformation which preserve the line and the parallelism, but not necessary the distance or angle. It's not preserving the distance or angle, but it is preserving the parallelism. That is the meaning of affine transformation. You can write down it in your notebook that what is affine transformation and why orthographic transformation called the affine transformation? Because from this question only, from this topic only, your means assertion reason can be formed. Assertion reason can be formed from here. Okay, so write down it. What is affine transformation and why the orthographic transformation called affine transformation? Write it down in your notebook. Okay. Yes. Now tell me, this is 2018 or 2018 December question. Tell me what will be the answer. This is not 2019. This is 2018 December question. What will be the answer? Again the question is from perspective and parallel. Perspective parallel. Yes, here answer will be option 4 because here again the perspective projection do not preserve the straight line. That is wrong. It's preserving the straight line. Parallel will be not parallel, but straight line will be preserved. Both perspective and projection both are preserving the perspective and so both are preserving the straight line. So it is given wrong. Option R is wrong. R is wrong here. By eliminating option R also you can do the answer. And you can write down this statement in your notebook that yes, perspective projection is the furthest object. Here distance is the factor. When you are far, then it is be smaller, near it will be bigger. And the parallel projection is equivalent to the perspective projection where views stand in the infinite far away. This statement also write it down because next time from this statement again question can come. Okay, so write down it in your notebook. Next one is do this one. Do this one. If the frame buffer has 10-bit pixel, 8-bit allocated for each RGB, then what will be the size of the lookup table? Yes, here answers are coming. Option A will be the correct answer. Why and how to do it? Here it is given that 10 bit per pixel means how many entries will be there. Same concept. When n bit is required, then how many entries will be there? 2 to the power n. That is in computer architecture we learn. So 2 to the power 10 entries will be there. Now 8 bit allocated for each, that is RGB. So 8 bit means 8 multiply into 3. 3 color are there, that is 24 bit. 24 bit means I can write that is 3 byte. Now total will be total number of entries multiply the size of the entries. So it will be 2 to the power 10 multiply 3, that is 3072. Now 3072 is the total one, but my answer is given in this format, plus format. Now this 3072 we can convert into plus format, that is 1024 and 2048. 1024 means 2 to the power 10 and 2048 means what? 2 multiply into 1024. So it will be what? 2 multiply into 2 to the power 10. So 2 to the power 1 multiply into 2 to the power 10, that is 2 to the power 10 plus 2 to the power 11. That's why your answer will be here 2 to the power 10 plus 2 to the power 11. And that is the answer. Yes, now here is another question. This question also we did previously, but just today we are doing revision for all the question, as I told, all 2023 to 2018 all we will cover. So that is we are going to cover here. So what is the answer for this one? Yes, so here answers are coming. Option 3 will be the correct answer. Just we have to see here what is going on according to here. This point shifted here, so according to this point I am doing rotation, and after the rotation it will be looks like this one, but still it is something stretch. So what is that stretch? That is the translation. So here rotation and translation both together. First we did rotation, that is the 90-degree rotation. After that the translation. So for that, whenever you are doing rotation of 90-degree, then you are getting this matrix. After getting that matrix with respect to 2, the rotation was going on with respect to this point. With respect to this point the rotation happened, and that's why I have to put multiply with 2. After multiplying 2 I am getting this value. So now we have to do translation. Now how much translation? What is the tx and ty value? We can get from here that this point, where is this point, is shifted to where? So this point is shifted now here. That is the translation happened, right? Actually this point not, sorry, here this point is as it is, but now 0 0, where was the 0 0? This 0 0 point, this 0 0 point is shifted to 6 1 point. So actually previously it was in 0 0, now it is in 6 1. So that's why tx value will be what? 6, and ty value will be 1. So tx and ty value I got it. Now I can put into the value that tx is 6 and ty is 1. Now after putting this I am getting this matrix finally. 0 minus 2 6, and this is the matrix. So answer will be, final answer will be this one. জল খেয়েছিস ইচ্ছে? জল খেয়েছিস? জল খাবো, বেশি করে জল খা। Okay, now tell me what will be the answer for this one. "3D graphics, which of the following is true?" Backface culling is the example of image precision visible surface determination procedure. Z buffer is 16-bit, 32-bit, 64-bit field associated with each pixel of the frame buffer that can be used to determine the visible surface of each pixel. What will be the answer here? Tell me what will be the answer? Yes, answers are coming. Option A is the correct answer, that is Q. Q only correct. Z buffer is the 16-bit, 32-bit and 64-bit. This is only correct. Because why? Backface calling, this is false. because back face, this is only correct. The Q is only correct, but back face culling is the example of image precision. That is wrong. It is not the example of image precision. Next one, see, from here we did the Bressenham algorithm. The question is from the Bressenham algorithm. Tell me what will be the answer. And for this one, why this is wrong? It is given the image precision visible surface determination not. Backface culling is used, the method is used for that whether the polygon of the graphical object is visible or not. Whether the polygon of a graphical object is visible or not. That is the main task of the backface culling. Here it is given image precision not object polygon. Okay, so that's why this is wrong. So now tell me what will be the answer for this one. This is the question from line drawing algorithm. Okay, answers are coming. Yes, according to the midpoint Bressenham algorithm for the rastering line given below, what will be, this is given already, this is given. Now which of the statement is true? For the line number m greater than 1, for a line with slope m greater than 1 should be changed the outer loop at the 4 over y. Whenever we did the Bressenham algorithm, then what we learned that yes, this is correct, because according to this will be changed. Then with line 10 and 12, this is the 10 and you have to count that line 10 and 12 number line, update the decision variable d. This is the decision variable d at the incremental value. That is also correct. Algorithm fail if the d over 0. That is wrong, because if d greater than 0 then it will not fail. That is wrong. So option R is eliminated and you can do the answer. Yes, P and Q will be the correct answer. Okay, yes. Now here is another question. This question we did also previously, and do this one, and after that it is the end. So all the 2018 question we did till 2018, and this is another question from 2015, but it is also a good question. So do this one. Yes, answers are coming here. Here again two types of things are going on. Coordinate square translated by this factor, then rotated with 90 degree. So first of all we have to draw this unit matrix. So we have to do the unit matrix here. So unit matrix, you can see this is the unit matrix because it is in the origin. So my points, you can get the points, these are my points. After that I will do the translation according to tx and ty, add the value tx ty and new values. After adding you are getting this one. After translation you will get this value. Then after that you have to rotate with 90 degree. So 90 degree rotation whenever you are doing, then x cos theta minus y sin theta and x theta plus y sin theta. cos theta, then just put the values and get the answer. Little bit lengthy process, but this type of question may come, so you have to practice, and maybe in different question also this concept will be required, and that's why you need to practice this type of question also, because transformation, rotation, translation, scaling, repeated area, as you saw in the question paper, and graphics is comparatively easy to score the marks. Comparatively, it is some area is confirmed from where the questions are coming, so you can do that question in this way and you can solve it and you can get the answer. So I hope your all the concept is clear. All the question we did, whatever question asked, so from this question you can get the idea ki how you have to prepare, and this is the way only through the PYQs. If you are preparing yourself, then also so much preparation will be done, and that's why in Unify Study you can go to unifystudy.com and you can download our app that is available on Google Play Store. You can search Unify Study, download our app to get the free PYQs of each and every subject wise PYQs I uploaded as a free mock test. You can come to UGC Net PYQs Computer Science, and here you can see the all the subject wise questions are uploaded here. If you click on DBMS, you can see that 2023 and 2011 March is here. I will upload more when more students are using it, because I am investing my time so that everyone should use. Computer architecture, you can see all the paper I have uploaded till 2020. If you are practicing as a mock test, this is according as a mock test. If you click on attempt, the mock test will be open to you, and exactly as per the exam view, whatever exam view is there, exactly as per the exam view you can attempt the mock test. Time bound practice will be here, right? So that's why must attempt it. Utilize the app. I am providing you free of cost. You can utilize and you can practice all the subject question here. Okay, bye everyone. See you again in the next class. Let's see, according to your demand, tomorrow morning. Today to class is there for the paid learners, 6:30 p.m. today class is there, and tomorrow morning also. Let's see what we can do, we will discuss there. Okay, yes, chalo, bye everyone, bye.